Hello friends, have you ever imagined being lost in a foreign country with no clue what people are saying? But suddenly you discover a tiny AI translator device that deciphers everything in real time. Surprising, right? Friends, have you ever wanted to unlock the secrets like Da Vinci? This puzzle-like metal combination lock is your test to capture epic moments. What about if your shelf could fold and vanish? The Magic Flap Designer Shelf bends reality. Finally, for security on the go, the portable door stopper alarm. It ensures no one sneaks in. Alright friends, welcome to Invotechzone, and I hope you do like, share, and subscribe the channel before moving forward. Number 1. AI Translator Device. Ever lost in a foreign country? You ask for directions, but all you get is confused looks. Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Meet the ChatGPT AI Translator Device. This is your personal language expert in 138 languages. This gadget can speak, scan, and translate instantly with real-time voice and photo translation. This gadget is perfect for travel, business, or even learning a new language. So whether you need to seal a deal, or navigate a new city, or order exotic street food, this compact, powerful, and gift-ready device makes it all effortless. No more awkward hand gestures, just smooth, instant conversations. Order now for best deals. Number 2. LED Headlamp. Pitch dark trails, hands full, and struggling to see? Not anymore, my friends. Let's meet the LED headlamp. This is a 230-degree wide beam, rechargeable powerhouse that lights up every step. This comes with gesture control, so you can just wave your hand to turn it on or off. There are no buttons, hence no hassle. This is perfect for camping, running, cycling, or any adventure. This lightweight adjustable headlamp stays secure and comfortable. And here's the best part. Buy 2, get the third one free. That's 3 powerful headlamps, each with a USB Type-C recharge, ready to shine wherever and whenever you need them. Brighten your path. Grab yours today. Number 3. Da Vinci Code Metal Combination Lock. A locked box, a secret message, and only one way to unlock it. Crack the code! Introducing the Da Vinci Code Metal Combination Lock, a puzzle lover's dream straight out of history. Friends, whether you're setting up an escape room challenge, hiding a special surprise, or gifting a mystery to someone special, this intricately designed metal lock keeps curiosity alive. You can twist, turn, and solve the riddle to reveal what's inside. This is perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or even a romantic surprise. This isn't just a lock, it's a thrilling adventure waiting to be unlocked. Ready to crack the code? Order today and do mention if you liked it in the comment box below. Number 4. Portable Sports Camera. Friends, have you ever thought how you could capture the world exactly as you see it hands-free? Meet the Portable Sports Camera Smart Glasses, where style meets technology. So whether you're cycling down a mountain, cruising on your motorcycle, or casting the perfect fishing line, these sleek black glasses record every moment in 1080p HD. With video recording, photo capture, and a built-in 64GB storage card, you'll never miss an epic shot. Lightweight, unisex, and adventure-ready, they're your perfect companion for action-packed memories. See it, record it, relive it. Liked it? Just pack it. Get your deal now. Number 5. Magic Flap Designer Shelf. Looks like a simple shelf, but wait, it's hiding a secret. Meet the Magic Flap Designer Shelf. A stylish wooden floating shelf with hidden compartments to stash your valuables in plain sight. This is perfect for your living room, bedroom, or office. This wall-mounted storage box blends seamlessly with your decor while keeping your essentials cleverly tucked away. So whether it's jewelry, cash, or your little secrets, this shelf is more than just decoration. It's a smart storage solution with a touch of mystery. So friends, if you're ready to add some magic to your space, why wait? Order now! And do like and subscribe to the channel before proceeding to the next gadget. Number 6. Portable Door Stopper Alarm. Alone in a hotel room, a sudden noise at the door where someone's trying to get in. But before they even step inside, beep beep beep, meet the Portable Door Stopper Alarm. Your silent guardian with an 80 dB security alert. Just place it under any door, and if someone tries to break in, it jams the door shut and blasts a loud alarm to scare them off. This is perfect for travel, home safety, and anti-theft protection. This sleek metal finish security jammer keeps you one step ahead. So stay safe, stay secure, get yours today. And that's a wrap on today's gadget review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Invotechzone for more awesome gadgets. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite gadget from today's list. Catch you in the next video.